Hello, my name is Rachel and today I'm going to show you how to fill out the course approval form. It's important that you fill out the course approval form by the deadline so that your advisor can make sure that you are in the right courses. This video tutorial is for students who have been admitted into the Honors Arts and Business program. Before you are ready to fill out the course approval form, we suggest you watch our tutorial on the Prospective major chart. That's the chart that tells you which courses you need to take based on your majors of interest. On the page, you will also see a link to course descriptions to help you decide which courses you want to take. To view our Prospective major chart video tutorial, follow the link in the video description below. Once you've completed watching the Prospective major chart video tutorial, you will be able to fill out your course approval form. It's also important to note that this upcoming fall term will be completely remote. Therefore, all classes will be held online. To sign into the course approval form, you will need to use your WhatIam user ID and password. Once you have signed in, your name, email, and program will appear. If any of this information is incorrect, hit the Contact Us link at the bottom to let us know. When you click Next, you will see that we ask you to select your first and second prospective majors. In this case, my first prospective major is going to be psychology, and my second prospective major is going to be economics. Once you've selected your two prospective majors, hit the Next button. After you click Next, you will see for the fall term a list of courses that are required for your program. Keep in mind you cannot drop these courses as they are required. You will be taking ARVIS 101 and Econ 101 in fall term with the rest of your cohort. As well, all art students have to complete 2 faculty-level courses in their first year, Arts 130 and Arts 140, one in the fall term and one in the winter term. These courses are popularly called Arts First courses. For now, you do not need to add Arts First courses. Your advisor will provide further details on how to enroll in these courses in July. Keep in mind as well that this form and the courses you will be taking in your first year will be the same whether you are in the co-op program or not. The next step is to choose your remaining 2 courses. Remember, you have already watched the Prospective major chart video, so you will see that right above where you pick your classes, the Prospective major chart will appear to remind you of what you should be taking based on your majors of interest. Double check that the prospective majors listed are the ones you want. Then choose courses for your fall term based on your majors of interest and choose your electives. We want you to have completed 2 courses related to each of your prospective majors by the end of your first year. As my first major of interest is psychology, I am going to choose a psychology course. As you can see, I am only able to take Psych 101. When I choose Psych 101, you will see that the course description appears below. The next step is to choose courses related to your second major of interest. I chose economics as my second major of interest, and you will notice that Econ 101 is already a required course in the Honors Arts and Business program. This means that when you scroll down to choose your second major of interest course, you will see that economics is not there. That is because you are already taking Econ 101, which is the only economics course you can take in your fall term of first year. So, in place of this, I am going to choose another area of interest. I am interested in taking Spanish, so for my second course of interest, I am going to take Spanish 101. Once you have selected your courses for the fall term, hit Next. Note, if you are looking to take a reduced course load this upcoming fall term, simply leave those extra courses blank, and leave a note at the end of the form explaining that you would like to connect with your advisor about your options for taking a reduced course load. When you click Next, a summary of your choices for the fall term will appear. If any of this information is incorrect or you want to make a change, go back and make any changes before you submit. If you have any additional questions that you would like your advisor to be aware of, there is an option to include that in the question box on the form. There is also an opportunity to let us know anything you think is important prior to you starting your studies at the University of Waterloo. This is where you will also explain that you want to connect with an advisor regarding taking a reduced course load if this is your plan for the upcoming fall term. When you click on Submit, it will bring up another summary of the courses you have chosen. This form will be submitted to your academic advisor to be approved. Any changes that need to be made will be emailed back to you from your advisor. We will do our best to enroll you in all of your fall courses for your first year. Remember, in the winter term you will take required courses and electives which you will select later. Filling out the course approval form by the deadline will allow us to help you get into those courses. If you don't complete the form by the deadline, it is possible that you won't get into courses that you want in your first year. Completing this form will also allow you to start connecting with your advisor and ask any questions you may have. We are always here to help you with your academic needs.